good evening and welcome to yet another amazing session with us BYJU'S. This is the unit test league and the first for biology 8th grade, where we are going to be having on crop production and management. I can see Ritika is here. Hello. Hi Smita. Hi Advika. Rudrakshi. I can see Sneha, Yukta, Pranika. Oh my god. Hi Papya. Yes, hi Harsimran, Garvit, Krishnendu, Soumya, Yukta. Hello everyone and good evening. Yes, so I can see that all of you are here, and as you can see, our common moderator has added the Menti code for today, that is 38434190. Yes, hi Palak, I am doing amazing. How are all of you? Yes, okay, let's all focus on today's class. I can see 50 of you are here already, but only 10 of you have joined the Menti League, right? So I'm just going to wait for 2 more minutes for everybody else to join. So for those of you who are new to the class, welcome. I'm Aishwarya and we are going to be, this is part of the Unit Test League, yes? So I want all of you to be a part of it. Yes, 19 of you have joined. Right. So we have 38434190 as the Menti code. Yes, no problem Anupam, I will wait for you, no issues. Yes, I do remember all of you. Right, okay. Hi everyone, how was your day? Have you all studied this chapter? Have you come prepared for today's class? Right? Yes, good evening everyone. Because we've had a lot of quizzes on crop production, right? I know it's been a while since we've spoken about crop production, but I'm sure that you will all remember. Yes, hi Rafiq. Advika is well prepared. Okay. No problem. Yes, of course. I remember all of you. 62 of you are here on the live, but 39 on Menti platform. So guys, very quickly, can we all join the Menti platform and can we join using the code? How to join Menti? So go to a website, use your laptop or phone or tablet, whatever you are using, right? And please put in www.menti.com. And when you go to that, you can use this code, that is 38434190. So can we have the code sent once again? They will send it to you once again. Yes, it's very cold here. That's why I'm wearing a jacket today. Yes, I can see. Yes, Seema, I have told you. Ojal is well prepared. That is great. 73 of you are in the live, but 45 in the Menti. Yes, so I am waiting because I want all of you to join, right? I don't want any of you to miss out. Hi, Sharath. Hello. Yes, Menti, the link is there as well as the code is there in the chat. Yes, hi, Advika. For Seema, I think the common moderator has added for you. Amazing, guys. 51 of you are here. Yes. Details, yes, you will get the details. I'm going to switch to the slide. I just need all of you to, I'm just waiting so that not a lot of you miss out on it, right? Because sometimes if you tend to join 1 or 2 minutes late, then you may not be able to fill your details, right? So I'm just waiting for everybody here, that's all. I am feeling amazing that you are all well prepared. As a matter of fact, I know all these questions are going to be very easy for all of you. Hi Aradhya, hello, I can see that you have joined. Okay, when it hits 60, I'm going to switch the slides. Don't be nervous, guys. Don't be nervous at all. You will do an amazing job. I have that confidence in all of you. I was telling the team also that, you know, these questions will be easy peasy for these guys. Yes. Okay, then we have hit 60. I am jumping, right? So here's a quick reminder for the BYJU'S mini learning program, because you know that the YTFREE code is there only till 17th of July and the offer ends then. So you know that in the YTFREE code and in our mini learning program, you get the 2-teacher advantage, one-on-one guidance, you will be able to schedule classes as per your convenience. So all of this will be helpful. Yes? Okay then, so now here I hope that I am on the slide and for you guys you will be able to fill your details, yes? So go ahead and fill your details. Kishan, go to www.menti.com. The code is 38434190. Yes, all of you switch to your mentee so that you can join and give in your details. It's very important. The only reason why we are taking your details is because we are going to keep a track in the unit test league, right? How many points you've scored. It's going to be something, a series over 3 weeks. We're starting with the prelims round. We're going to be moving into the, we'll have the semi-finals and finals. Yes, there is no option for class 8, is it? Great problem. Okay, so can we do one thing? Okay, all of you don't worry about it. Fill it for grade 9 right now. I will change it to grade 8. Shall we do that? Can you all fill it for 9th grade? Just fill it for 9th grade and I will change it to 8th grade after the class today. Can we do that? I'm very sorry. I think there has been a glitch. Yes, can we do that? Can you all quickly let me know? Yes, thank you. Thank you so much everyone. 42 of you are here. That is brilliant. You are in class 7 and still you are coming here, Ritika. That is amazing. It's okay. You can fill it for 9th grade, right? Yes, I filled others. Very good. Yes, fill others and you can join. I like how Himaswi is in 6th and you're joining this. That's great, Himaswi. Yes. 68 are here. You're filling it. 70 of you are here. That is great. It's okay. If it is others also, it's fine. I will add it. This class is specifically for 8th grade. See, whatever you fill, it's okay, guys. Don't worry, because I know 8th as an option may not be there in the form. I will change it to 8. Oh, you're in 7th, so you put 10. Okay, I will keep that in mind and I'll change. Yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting here. I'm taking this time because, for the quiz, you guys will go like this. So today we are going to have the proper UTL. Yes, I can see 83 of you are here. Right, I'm going to wait 1 more minute. Pranika, I'm just going to wait for the others to join. Some of them are still joining. Yes, hi Raj, hello. If you're in 6th grade, just fill others, yes? Oh, is it Navneet? I did not know that. Then that is great. That is great for the UP board. Sneha is there. Sneha is also there. Yes, Aryan, I will be proceeding. Let's wait 1 more minute for the others. Hi Varnika, welcome to the class. I am waiting for you, Prateek. I am waiting. Yes. IPL is equal to UTL, yes. Alright, I can see 68 of you are here in the live, but I can see 88 people on the mentee platform. That is great, Harsimran. I didn't read it entirely, but you can send it to me once again. Yes. Alright, okay. No, Devendra, I'm not ignoring all of you. I'm very happy to see all of you here. Alright, I can see we've hit 90 here in this. Yes, on Saturday you have science exam, both bio chapters are there. That is great, right? All the best for your test. Moving on, we have hit 90 here, so we're going to get started. Yes, so we're waiting for all the players to join in. Let's start. Yes, we're starting. We are going to go to question number 1 there. Yukta, can you tell me what icon you are? I'm going to be looking. I can see 87. 75 avatars are only shown, although 89 of you are here. That is brilliant. We're going to get started. Question number 1, answer fast to get more points. Which of the following is used to preserve food grains at home? Look at your phone for this. Spinach leaves, mango leaves, neem leaves, tulsi leaves. Yes? So let's focus on this, and guys, don't give out the answer here. Just tell me done in the chat when you are done, okay? Don't tell me what the answer is until we are going to be complete with the time. Amazing, 89 of you are here. Brilliant, brilliant. I know it's easy peasy. Okay, we have 5 more seconds, and in 1 second we'll get the answer. Brilliant, guys, brilliant. Out of 95 of you, 83 have got the answer. Yes, because when we talk about preserving, or simply say when we talk about storing food grains at home, we know that there are certain precautions to be taken. And these are some pre-storage precautions wherein we add addition of neem leaves, right? So it's simple. Neem leaves make sure that it gives out a characteristic smell that does not attract pests or insects, which is why this is the correct answer. Yes, Alicia, so again, I will ask the chat coordinator to send it one more time. Go to www.mentee.com and use the code 38434190. Yes, amazing, Joshita. This is going to help you. Now moving on to second question. Guys, question 2 out of 15. Are we ready? So answer fast, of course, to get more points. Yes? The process of drying wheat stalks in the sun and then beating them up to separate the grains is called as what? Is it winnowing, threshing, churning or sieving? Yes. So it's very important, right, that you focus on the question. So here two options can be confusing. Let's not give out the answer here, Krishan, because you know we're all waiting. Just let me know when you are done, right? We have 8 seconds left on the clock. Amazing. I can see all of you are saying it's done. Very good, Devendra. Very good. Yes, 82 of you have got this right. It is threshing. And for 15 of you who have got a little confused, right? Oh, Disha has a misclick. It's okay. It's okay. As long as you know the answer, it's important. Don't worry. Be a little careful here, no? So when we talk about threshing, we know that it is the process of beating out grains from the harvested crop. Winnowing is when we do what? When we separate out the chaff from the seed. Yes? Yes, biology is topping in Menti. That is great, guys. That is great. Now we'll move on to third question. Are we ready? We have the third question out of 15. I can see 98 of you are here. That is brilliant. Now we'll go on. Answer fast to get more points. Yes? Identify the agricultural method in which different crops are grown on a piece of land season after season. Is it irrigation, monoculture, crop rotation or shifting cultivation? Navneet, I will try my best. I am not very fluent in Hindi. That's why I stick to English. And when we write answers, we'll have to do it in English. No, that's why I stick to English. Yes? We have 10 more seconds. Are you all done? This should be again very easy one for all of you. We have 1 second left. Time's up. And brilliant, guys. Brilliant. I can see 102 of you are here. That is great. But 78 of you have got this right. Some of you have gotten confused with this. Okay, so when we talk about crop rotation, because we know that crop rotation is a process wherein we know that we shift crops, right? On a regular basis, we alternate and grow the crops. Wherein in one season, if we grow a certain crop like corn, then in the next season, we will not keep growing corn again and again on the same piece of land. But rather we'll grow something like soybean wherein we will be able to replenish it, right? So we see that normally we tend to use what? We will be tending to use some leguminous plants, yes? Okay, that is great. 3 out of 3. And for those of you who have just joined, not to worry guys, you can start answering, yes? Okay, moving on to the next one, we have question number 4. All right guys, look into your screens. Yes. Rhizobium bacteria in the root nodules of leguminous plants help in fixing what? How many of you are here? I see 82. Okay, the number is increasing. 85 are here and I want all 85 to answer this because I have told this so many times. Is it sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen or hydrogen? I am 101% sure you will all get this answer. Yes? 98 is here now. 98 should give me the answer for this. And that's why I hope at least. Yes. All right. Amazing. I'm very happy. I'm still very happy. 94 of you have got this right. Answer correct. Yes? Okay. Ayush is facing some issues. What happened, Ayush? What issue are you facing? Please do let me know. Yes? So we've learned about this on multiple occasions, right? When we talk about rhizobium. Yes? Rhizobium is present in the root nodules of some leguminous plants and it helps in fixing nitrogen. So can you all quickly give me an example of, a leguminous plant? Can you tell me? Want to reach century? That is great. Yes. Can you all quickly give me some examples before I go ahead? 4 out of 4. Brilliant. Yes. Very good. Pea is a very common example. Yes. Soybean, grams, wonderful pulses that are there. That is great. That is great. Yes, Ayush, please tell me what difficulty you're facing. Let me try helping you out in case if I can do something, right? Great, guys. Soybeans, pea, pulses are all, very, very common examples. That is great. Leaderboard will come after every 5 questions. Yes? Brilliant. Now moving on, question number 5 out of 5. So we'll have the leaderboard after this. Yes, answer fast to get some more points. If you are a farmer Which of the following methods will you use to separate good quality and viable seeds from a heap of grains after harvest, right? Or let's do one thing. Don't even look at the part after harvest. Don't see that part, okay? Let's not look at it. Just from a heap of grains, yes? And you want to, maybe sow them again. So checking the weight of grains, checking grains under sunlight for pores, immersing grains in water, sowing seeds and waiting for germination. So this is for the step of sowing. And time's up. Yes, amazing. Right, so here I think some of you got confused with after harvest, right? How many of you got confused with after harvest? Yes? Anybody who got confused with this part? Yes, very good guys, very good. 5 out of 5, okay. Yes, Parnika. All right, okay. Not amazing. What happened, Ritika? Why is it not amazing? Okay, that's great. Yes, so here I will tell you, it's a very simple one, okay. So after harvest, so for example, I'll tell you why the trick was. So when you grow a plant, of course, you harvest it, right? And then you sell the seeds, or you sell the grains, but you also retain some of it to grow your next set of crops, right? So after harvest was just there to confuse you, because at the end of the day, if you want good quality and viable seeds for sowing, yes, we will put it in water and we know that all the bad seeds will go up, right, and the good seeds will remain, right? So that's one way of doing it, and in our concept sessions, we tried it out and some of you tried it out at home as well, right? Yes, misclicks happen, not a problem, okay? So yes, now we will go. We have the leaderboard, yes? Oh, all right, let's wait for the leaderboard. Let's see what is up there. All right, so we have Advika, who is the fastest, all right, with 4,885 points. Great going, Advika. We have Grisha, Aghash, Saksham, Debankar, Harsimran, Anahita, Aradhya, Bhavya and Garvit. Great going, guys. Great going. Well done, all of you. Don't worry about it at all. Just keep focus. Yes, just keep focus on the questions. Yes, don't worry about it. Don't worry. Moving on. Question number 6. Let's focus. Answer fast to get some more points. Yes? Arrange the following agricultural practices in the order in which they are followed. So we have 4 options. So look at the question very carefully, right? So we have harvesting, sowing, storage, irrigation and preparation of soil. And we have 4 options. All of you take some time and solve it, right? Don't rush with this question because it is a flow chart question and you need it to arrange as per the agricultural practices. It's okay, Ayush. If you could try it, please resolve your technical issues. Otherwise, you can join back. Time's up. And great going, guys. Great going. 82 have got this right. Yes, 82 of you have got it right. And some of you have gotten little bit here and there, right? No problem, Shaurya. Not a problem at all. Yes. Yes. So here, as you can see, we know that step number 1 is preparation of soil, followed by sowing, right? And of course, addition of nutrients was not there, but then irrigation was there. Then we have removal of weeds, then we have harvesting, and then of course we have storage, right? So this is the correct order and most of you have got this right. So great going, everyone, great going. Moving on, let's look at question number 7, yes? It's okay, Himaswi, it's all right. Okay, let's have a look at question number 7 and here it is. Identify the incorrect statement. All of you, please be careful with this question. Weeding is best done during tilling itself. Weeding is the process of growing these weeds. Weeding is the process of removal of weeds. Weeding is done manually or by using weedicides. Yes? Okay, focus on these questions because you have to identify the incorrect statement that is there. Incorrect. Thank you so much, Ritika. Thank you. 5 seconds left. Yes. Time's up and right here I can see 50 of you have got it right. Palak has gotten confused. Okay, some of you have gotten a misclick. All right. Okay, not a problem, guys, not a problem. See, that's why in some questions when I tell you, no, that you focus on the question, read what is saying. So we have 4 options which are given to us and we need to identify which is incorrect. That means which is not true about weeding. That means what should we do? We should think about what is true for weeding. So we know weeding is a process of removal of undesirable crops, right? So undesirable crops are undesirable plants which we call as weeds. And it is usually done manually using khurpi or using weedicides. And weeding is considered. So we know that weeding is best done during tilling itself. So sometimes there will be some unwanted crops while we prepare soil and it's good to remove it then and there. Which is why the incorrect statement is weeding is the process of growing weed, right? That is the undesirable plant. That is not true. So it's important you read the question when it comes to it. Are we clear, everybody? Yes, I know, Nagendra. That's why I said read the question. Sometimes these questions will come in the exam also. And that time you guys shouldn't make a mistake, no? So please read it. Are we clear, everybody? For those of you who got confused. Okay. No, don't worry, Raj. Don't worry. Please don't worry. Yes? Okay. Now let's move on. Question number 8. Yes, it's crystal clear. I am so happy that you are all able to follow that. Now let's move on. Answer fast to get more points. Yes? An example for Rabi crop among the following is what? So we have rice, mustard, soybean and maize. Should be easy, guys. We're talking about Rabi crops. Remember which season Rabi is grown. Remember, I gave you some tricks to remember the examples. Yes? Don't get confused. 2 are very obvious options, which is not the answer, but 2 can be little confusing. So I'm hoping you get this. Very good, very good. What happened, Joshita? What happened? You can let me know where are you getting confused, right? So I'll help you out with it. Don't worry. Time's up. And yes, very good here. I thought rice and maize would be a very obvious answer. Krishnendu has had a misclick. Okay, only examples. Yes. So, Joshita, what I would recommend, right? If you go back to the concept session or even if you go back to the NCRT session, exercise session of crop production and management, you will find these tips and tricks that I tell you about, right? There are easy ways in which you remember, like BMW, right? Something like that, RMW. I had given you some ways of remembering things, yes? So these are all some simple ways in which you will be able to remember it. So here you know Rabi crops are those crops which are normally sown in the winter season, right? And they are harvested before the onset of monsoon. And we know that wheat, pea, mustard, chickpea are all examples of it. Soybean is Kharif crop. Rice and maize, I will tell you. Rice and maize is a very obvious example that it is Kharif, right? Yes, Joshita, you can go back and watch those sessions. It will definitely be helpful for you, the concept sessions. Yes? Okay, guys, amazing. Now let's move on to question number 9, right? Okay, let's go on. Yes, thank you for all the hearts, everybody. The most feasible and sustainable method of irrigation amongst the following. Again, very fancy words, okay? Which is the best method of irrigation? Sprinkler system, drip system, tube, well or chain pump. And I'll add on one more thing to this. Most best system in lands where there's not enough water. Sustainable is also something where we conserve water. Sustainable is a very fancy word. It's little tricky, right? But it's nothing but a fancy word where we conserve water. I'm focusing on that word. Time's up. And yes, 74 of you have got this right. Brilliant. Brilliant, everyone. Easy peasy, I know. But again, 25 of you got confused with sprinkler system. Yes? So I'll tell you, when you see words like sustainable, right? Sustainable is when we, get the maximum benefit by just using little amounts of water, right? And in drip irrigation, we know that we have water which is getting supplied drip by drip, drop by drop, right? And they fall near the roots itself. And thereby, we see that we are providing the plants with the right amount of water, but at the same time, we are conserving it as well. Is that so, Krishnendu? But it's always good to recall your concepts, right? I hope you're having fun recalling your concept. Very good, guys. So, see, you will have to focus on these things, yes? All right. So, Ahmed, you can just keep a track of it as well, right? Okay, then let's move on to question number 10, right? So we are at question number 10. Great going. A lot of you have got good marks. I'm very happy with your marks, right? And see, irrespective of whatever it is, don't worry. This is all a way in which you will practice. Let's have a look. Question number 10. The agricultural instrument used for removal of weeds. I told the answer already actually. Sickle, khurpi, seed drill, plow. I told the answer just some time back. I didn't realize that this question was there. This should be very easy. You all should get. How many are here? 89 are here. 93 are here. Okay, 95. All of you should be getting this. All 96 of you. 97 of you. Whoa, this number is increasing. Yes. All right. Yes, 61 of you have got this right. I just told the answer a while back when we were discussing weeding. Okay, Dipanjali got a little confused. Okay, no, not a problem, right? Yeah, I know, I gave away the answer. Okay, so see, we're talking about removal of weeds, right? And I figured that in sickle you would have gotten confused, right? So can all of you now tell me, where do we use sickle? Yes? Where do we use a sickle? Yes, very good. Can you all tell me before I go ahead? Because I think confusion is with sickle. To harvest, yes? Very good, very good. For harvesting, right? And seed drill as the name suggests, right? So sickle and, I understand, sickle and khurpi would be two places where you get confused with. So sickle, you always remember, is like this, right? One curve shaped one that is there, right? And we always remember it's for harvesting. Khurpi is a little more flattened and we use it for removal of weeds. Now plow is used for what? Plow is used for preparation of soil, right? Because plowing. So you can think of it that way. Plow, plowing. And we have seed drill. Yes, seed drill as the name suggests is for sowing of seeds, right? Yes, I know seed drill is also used, right? But we do use it. But primarily, if you have to compare khurpi and seed drill, no, I would say that khurpi would be the answer. Because when compared to seed drill and plow, they have other functions as well, right? Yes, can I also say that that is why I was saying removal of weeds, right? Yes, see, we can use plow. That is what I'm trying to say. Plow and seed drill can be used. But they also have other things to do, right? But khurpi is primarily used for removal of weeds. Yes? So here's a quick, of course, a manual way of doing it. Now, of course, moving on, we have the leaderboard. Okay, Akash, I'm going to quickly get back to you on that. Can we do it towards the end? I'll do the explanation towards the end. Well then, we have Grisha who has moved up to 9,689 points, followed by Debankar, Sneha, Anukriti, Garvit, Aditya, Advika, Subhashri, Bhavya and Saksham. Amazing guys, great going. Yes, very good, very good. Yes. Very happy for all of you, very happy. Just go with it, right? Don't worry about your marks right now as long as you are able to understand your concepts, because you know that the UTL is for you all to be prepared for the unit test, right? Oh, don't worry Aghash, don't worry. There's always 5 more questions left to come back. Yes? Okay. Alright, very good Aryan. Now let's move on. Question number 11. Let's answer fast to get some more points. Moat, Dhekli and Rahat are different types of what? They are traditional methods of cultivation, traditional methods of weeding, traditional methods of seed sowing, traditional methods of irrigation. Very, very easy. We are talking about Moat, Dhekli, Rahat, right? Let's focus on that. Yes, Aradhya, it's ABCD. 87 of you are here, guys. Come on. Time's up. Very good. 70 of you have got this right. Yes. Very good, Dipanjali. Very good. Because we know that Moat, Dhekli, Rahat, chain pump are all examples or different kinds of traditional methods of irrigation, right? So you need to remember that they are methods of irrigation and they are traditional methods, not cultivation or weeding, right? So are we clear with this? Very simple question, no? Are we good to go? Can you give me a chain of emojis very quickly in the chat? Yes, thank you, Mayank. Quickly, give me a chain of emojis so that we are good to go. All clear? Okay, all right. Thank you so much for helping me with it. And we will move on to the next question. Yes, thank you so much. Right, now let's go back to Menti because you're all now very consumed doing the emojis. Let's go back to question number 12. The ideal months for sowing of Kharif, for sowing Kharif crops are what? June, July, April, December, January. So for all of you who are listening to me and you're attempting the answer, remember we already discussed Rabi crops, which means that there are 2 months you can get rid of, right? And just remember, what does Kharif stand for? Very simple question. Kharif is, we also call it as monsoon crops. I have given a big hint. I know I shouldn't be giving it, but it's okay. Time's up. Very good, everybody. Very good. Okay, Joshita is confused. Yeah, no problem, Joshita. So Kharif crops that are there, right? So Kharif crops, we also popularly or in very layman language, we call it as monsoon crops, right? Which means that we normally sow it in the rainy season. So we see that we sow it around the onset of monsoon, that is June and July, and we cultivate it, or the harvest we will get at the end of when? Around September, October time, right? So which is why we call it like that. So this is what we mean by Kharif crops, and of course we have rice and maize, which are very common example. Okay, no problem, Yukta, no problem at all, but I hope that all of you are aware about the concept. Like, I want your concepts to be very clear. Yes? Now let's move on to question number 13. We have only 3 more questions. Come on, guys. Let's have that enthusiasm. So let's quickly move on. Yes, answer fast to get more points. Yes? The process of separation of grain from chaff is called as what? Now this again should be easy. Winnowing, churning, irrigation, sieving. Wow, this is so easy. Guys, churning, irrigation, sieving, winnowing. Very, very simple options. For all of you who are there in the class, I know. I know, I've given these answers away, I feel. I should be able to remember the questions I'm putting. We have 1 more second left. Time's up, and brilliant, guys, brilliant. I only had given this answer away about winnowing, right? We know that winnowing is a process of separating the chaff or the debris away from the grains. It is not irrigation, because irrigation is the way or the method in which we supply water at regular intervals to the crops. Sieving, yes, I can understand you may get confused with sieving, but that is again separation based on difference in particle size, yes, right? And of course we have churning, and churning has nothing to do with separating chaff. So very easy. Now question number 14. Everybody is thanking me for giving answer. Yeah. Oh, okay then, let's move on to question number 14. Yes, I will tell you, Dipanjali, 1 minute. Which one of the following is used for sowing of seeds? Seed drill, plow, cultivator, none of these. So threshing is nothing but when you hit, right? So remember in the question, we beat the stalk, the whole crop that is there along. So imagine you have the plant and the stalk along with the grains. You beat it to separate out the grains from that stalk. That is what we call as threshing. It's very simple. 8 more seconds. Answer given. Brilliant. It's very easy one. 3, 2, 1. And let's see. Very good, guys. Very good, right? Yes. Yes, guys, please don't give the answer in the chat, right? So here we know that seed drill. I know I gave the answer again for this. So seed drill is a modern tool that we use for sowing of seeds, right? While on the other hand, we had some various other options which I kind of don't remember right now, right? We had plow and we also had cultivator, right? So can you quickly tell me where do we use plow and cultivator? I have 5 more minutes, so I'm going to quickly ask all of you, where do we use plow and cultivator? Very good, everybody, very good. I'm so happy that you're all very happy that you're giving the answers, right? Plowing, yes, very good, Dipanjali. Plow for plowing, yes. I know, Dhirendra. I'll come more prepared for the next UTL. I'll not give it away. Yes, very good, very good. Yes. Very good, yes, very good. I can see the answers. Great going, great going. So now let's move on to the next question. That is the last question for today's Menti quiz, right? So let's move on to the last question. The process of, oh my God, this is so easy again. The process of loosening and turning of soil is called what? Tilling or plowing, harvesting, spraying or weeding. All of you who are there should be getting this answer now. Yes? I see 85 odd people here and I want all 85 of you to be getting this answer. I will allow misclicks. Yes? And in case if there's some doubt, I will definitely do that. But this is very simple, no guys? 5 more seconds. Time's up. Very good, everybody. Very good. Yes. We know that process of turning or loosening of soil is called tilling or plowing. We have plow, hoe, cultivator which help us with all of that. So with this, we come to the end of today's Menti quiz. Yes. So let's see this. What is the leaderboard? What does the leaderboard say? Very good, Grisha. Very good. Congratulations. You've got 14,528 points. Although in the last round, Saksham Bansal was the fastest. We have Debankar, Sneha, Garvit, Aditya, Advika, Bhavya, Anukriti, Rudrakshi, who have all made it to the leaderboard. Now, I want all of you to take a minute and give a big round of applause for everybody here. It is not just for who are made it to the leaderboard, yes, of course, for them, but to everyone and for your own, for yourself as well, right? I want a round of applause. Very quickly, I want a round of applause. Yes. Quickly. Very good, everyone. Very good. I'm very happy with all of your marks, right? Yes, a big round of applause for everybody who have done a wonderful job, right? See, the purpose of UTL, of course, is mainly to help you prepare for your academic exams. And yes, we've made it a little, engaging for all of you with Menti quizzes and different rounds. But important thing is to understand that you are able to remember your concepts, right? Yes, okay. Right, amazing everybody, amazing, yes? It's okay Akash, you've done a wonderful job, don't worry about it, okay? Yes, amazing everyone, amazing work. I am very happy, very proud of all of you for the work that you have done. You've really come prepared, right? And always come prepared for your classes, and it is important that you learn all these concepts well, yes? Yes, okay. Yes, Alicia, all right. So now, of course, here's a quick reminder for the BYJU'S mini learning program. You know that the offer is ending. Use the YTFREE code for it, yes? So you know that the 6 to 8 channel has always got you covered. And if you like this, if you want more from us, if you have any suggestions, let us know in the comment section because you know I always check the comments, right? Alright, so like this video, show me your love by liking the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And most importantly, before I sign off, did you have a lot of fun today? Yes? When is the next session? It will be very soon, Harsimran, very, very soon, right? Because for biology especially, we'll be coming with microorganisms. That is the next Menti quiz. It will be most likely scheduled for next week, right? If I am not wrong. Yes. Okay. No, we have prelims, semi-finals, winners. That's why we are taking all this data and keeping it with you. Session was amazing. Questions were also very simple, no? Yes, questions are very easy. And questions are easy because you all know the concepts, right? Great going, guys. Great going. Thank you so much for being a part of today's class. Lots of love to all of you out there. Hoping to see you very soon. Bye-bye and have a nice day.